Let's try our hands on the sys module in Python. The sys module lets us access system-specific parameters and functions. This is the version we have, and this is the version information as a tuple. Sys has many functions. This is x, it is 42, printed and you have 42. Let's try changing how we get the output. Define a function show. It takes an argument and prints it while printing output before it. We set this function to the display hook. X now prints this way, and printx prints this way. We can also use it to read input and to write out. It writes 12 characters. Let's import the math module. Sys.modules gives us the modules in the current shell. And this is the list of paths where it looks for something when we import it. To this list, we can add a path. We can also use sys to exit the current execution flow. For numbers 0 to 99, print them, and when it's 5, exit. So this prints out the numbers 0 to 5. This code logs the output into a text file instead of delivering it to the console. And this is what was logged. This one opens the file error.log, raises an exception, and closes the file. The raised exception is stored in the file error.log. Let's import the time module. This code prints a number every second for 10 seconds. It prints a number, flushes the buffer contents to the terminal, and sleeps for a second.